very good. It's nice always to check the table and see that the team is on top, even. Again, no? There are teams with 9, with 8, with 7, with 6, and with 5 games. Then the table is not real. The thing that is real is that we lost only 2 points in the competition. Only Mohubagan can surpass us. But this is for statistics. We need to keep going, and that's all. Tomorrow another training session. Next week, very difficult game again against Mumbai City, and this is always the life of the teams and the coaches and the players.
You just spoke about Mumbai City. So what do you have to say when it comes to taking on Mumbai City? At the moment, everyone knows that their head coach is not with them, but now Anthony is taking over. He's heading the team. So how do you take on Mumbai City with this kind of a team?
Let's see, because they have to play tomorrow, the Champions League, and 8 they have to play in Bangalore. Let's see if they don't have a new coach, if they keep Hiroshi, the assistant coach, or Des Buckingham. Let's see. Now we need to rest, we need to recover players, we need to train, and that's all. Again, it will be a very difficult game, same than today. I think that we faced a very good opponent, but despite, I think that we are having problems to finish, to keep the games. No? I think that we have in some moments clear chances, other day the same, and finally always with 1-0 you suffer, because in one action the opposite, they have quality too, and they can equalize the game.